All right, you guys, I'm gonna go into Island Grocery Depot and get milk and eggs and a couple other things. I'm gonna try to record a little bit, but probably not very much because it's super uncomfortable to record in public, especially right now. So yeah. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Bye. No chocolate milk. Oh no. Well, I guess I'll just have to get a big 2%. Chicken marinade. Maybe. This looks like dressing. Oh, it's cold in here. Marinade. I tried this one before, but I've never tried a Blue Mountain blend. I don't know what that means. Or cappuccino? I want to try those. Jonah will like those, I think. I just want, some fudge bars. I don't know what that is. Tropical ice cream? Oh, let's try one of those. It's gonna be expensive, but it sounds fun. I see seasonings. Soy. Am I passing it? What's all this stuff? I don't know. Okay, here we go. It sounds yummy. What else? Do I see anything a whole lot else? Barbecue. Barbecue. What do you do with? Perfect for grilling, baking, stir frying, and dipping. So you just pour it on and bake it. I don't know. We're gonna give it a go. I don't know. I hope that's the right thing to do. Because I don't know nothing about cooking. He just sent me here and said if they have marinade in a bottle or whatever. But I don't really know what else. That's a marinade. What's that? Mojo. Orange, garlic, onion. Orange and grapefruit juice, vinegar, garlic and onion, spices, herbs, bitter orange. What's it good for though? Is it like good for poultry, fish, and seafood? Well, we'll give both of those a try. I don't know what. I don't know what. All right. I think that's everything. Let's get out of here. Anything I've never had? Nope.
Let's say goodbye. This is sorrow. I know we can fly, yeah, like there's no tomorrow. Like there's no tomorrow.
People are stupid today. The beaches opened up yesterday, and so there are a lot more people, just local people, out on the road. And everybody is in a hurry, and everybody is driving like crazy. So I'm taking my time, and I'm taking it nice and slow and being very careful.